Man, it's like a nice fall day. It really feels good out here today. It's not, man, after dealing with all these 100-degree days, it's kind of nice. I haven't seen anything really worth a crap yet. There's an old Mustang from the mid-90s up there on top of that car. Old Oldsmobile, whatever it is. Minivan. Man. See if we find, look at that, man. Man, it's kind of cool to be able to walk around here, man. It's kind of sad, though, to see, after so many years, man, seeing this, maybe they moved. I just don't know. Maybe they found I can imagine, though. It was a rundown old place. Man, look, it's crazy how they got the cars all flipped over. I think the cars were cooler back in the, cars were just so much cooler back in the 70s and 80s and even the 90s. I don't know. Cars have gone downhill. They don't build them like they used to. And they're more expensive. But everything's pricey now. That has nothing to do with it, really, anything. I was just going by, because outside the fence, they would sometimes, once in a while, put some cool cars out there, and I'd stop and get some footage of it, like the two Jeeps, those two Willys Jeeps I filmed for you, I don't know, about a year ago. Look at the Land Rover. Let's see, when was it last? Trying to see when it was last driven. It looks like that. Well, at least not, you know, we stopped putting those stickers in North Carolina on the, so that indicates, that at least tells you that's about 20 years old. Probably anything worth a crap has been bought as a Volkswagen. You know, that's one of the, you know the Mandela effect. One of the Mandela effect theories is the Volkswagen, and I believe this. The V and the W, the V used to be, they were interconnected, that like one was behind the other. Now it's the V's on top of the W. See, they claim a lot of this is just incorrect, that we're having false memories, but how do so many people remember these things? Then there's another Volkswagen. Is that a Passat maybe? I don't know. But it's a Volkswagen nevertheless. And my parents in the early 80s had a Volkswagen Scirocco, and that's a car you absolutely cannot find now. And in fact, they still make the Volkswagen Scirocco in Germany. But it was real cool. I think the one they had was silver. It was a 5-speed, 1977. It was a little kind of like a hatchback. It was, you know, just a cool little car. Had a neat look to it. I think it would be worth some money if they still had it. What in the world? It's an old Century. Wow. Yeah, these old station wagons. That's so creepy. Why would that be there? Ah, its head is right there. Huh. The Bat Creek is just through those woods. When we were teenagers, me and a couple of my buddies, I know my buddy Nick and my buddy Jeff, we rafted. We got a raft and we rafted down the Bat Creek. Runs through Mebane all the way out to Eventually it leads to Quaker Lake, I believe. And, well, and also the Haw River. I can hear it. It's like I can hear the creek or river through there. Finally something vintage. I can't tell if that's an old ford or a... Yeah, that's definitely the river over there, the creek. Is that an old ford? Well, I know it's a late 50s. I can't see the back end because of all the foliage and the limbs. But I'm not seeing... Oh, it's a Pontiac. It's an old Pontiac. From the late 50s. That's 90s Chevy Camaro, looks like. Basic mid-90s Camaro. Get to the creek. It's dirty inside. How the hell why are they all covered in mud the way that... Oak Island. We got an old Corvette from, what was that? It's to be, I think, late 80s. Let's see when it was last, see, 98. So it had to have been. Yeah, see, it was a 5-speed. There's an old abandoned Clark forklift. People love to restore these. I've watched some videos where people find these old forklifts and restore them, man. That looks, yeah, that's an old forklift from the probably 70s. They have the manufacturer plate on the side. It probably... I'm not going to try to walk in the weeds. I like the old Clark forklifts. It's missing a fork. The old Chevy van.